just got this box. Let's go ahead and open it up, shall we?
Ah! Open me!
Dirk time. It's Dirk time! Oh my god. Crazy Dirk. Oh my god. Look at all the little doodles. Oh my god, it's so cute! The lip! God, I love the art. Alright, moment of truth. And the tape came out all undone. That's okay. Let's open up. On this side. Ooh, so close. Shaking from excitement. And if you're wondering who refurbed my head, let's fix it. There we go. Acid Mutt, also known as Cosmos and Baru, refurbed my head. Technically, this is the first time on camera that this is being seen. So I had to get test fitted before I did a whole unboxing video. This is the first time anybody will have ever seen Aerith 1.5 on camera or online in general. Oh, excitement is getting to me. Without further delay, I present Aerith in this revitalized glory. Uh-oh. No! There we are. God, I love how he turned out. Oh my god, look at the little tongue. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, removable too. Very nice, very nice. Not gonna mess around with that. Look at the teeth. Teeth. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I love the little teeth. Oh, I love the black trilling eyes. Oh, it's so squishy. So squishy. Oh my goodness, I love this. Cosmos and Baru, you two are fantastic suit makers. Honest to God, this is beautiful. Without a doubt. Try not to cry. Oh my God. This is like what my original head should have been when I got it, but honestly, I am happy with how this turned out. What do you all think? How's this Dirk look? Is he handsome? Is he boopable? Oh, look at the eyes. Oh my goodness. Damn, I didn't realize how big the mohawk is. But yeah, this is actually really nice. It had to come with a pillow, by the way, because the original head base is a little too big for my head, especially with the original maker making it a little too large for me. This pillow sits about right about there on my head, when it's inside the head, of course. So at that height, at least. And it actually keeps my head pretty much nice and sturdy without having it to jostle around and whatnot like I'm some sort of bobblehead. But yeah, this, honest to God, is perfect. Because not only is it a revitalization of what my Sonnet is, but it's everything I've wanted out of a refurb. God, I'm crying right now. I'm legitimately crying a little bit. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. There's like tears of joy coming down my face. If you guys see me around in this head, please feel free to say hi or give me a little poop on the snoot. Like that. Ask first, of course. Consent is key. Just love how they got every detail pretty much down to a T. It looks so perfect. I got the brush. There we go. No, I have it nice and straight. There. So it's nice and fixed. The nose is pickable. That's the tip of my pinky right there. I'm not sure if I should put anything in there. I'm still thinking about all the things I wanted to do with this. And it's just sensory overload. I have not seen what other goodies, like the box advertised here, is inside yet. I haven't taken a full perusing. So I'm going to set him aside. Let's take a look at all the goodies Azimuths put in store. Ah, so these are eyebrows. Let me go ahead and put one on just to show you. That looks fabulous. Oh my goodness. I've wanted this for so long. Also, I think this would actually look nice, especially on a hot day when the sun is glaring right in my face. Okay, I just have a little bit of a sun visor. And here is version 1. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he was falling apart. Oh, look at that. We got a little bit of foam there. Memories. Oh, they gave me a little Pop-Tart. I'll have that for breakfast tomorrow. Yummy. And we got this long, flappable tongue. Oh, there's a fork in it. It has a fork. Stabby. I'm kidding. But it's a blappable tongue. He's blapping. Let's see what else they got. Oh, the little origami dragon, I think. Yeah, it's a dragon. Little origami dragon. I am going to cherish this on my shelf. I have a bookshelf in the back corner. I would show you, but it's messy in the back corner because it has all my fursuit supplies. I don't have really much room in my room. And I will put this on my bookshelf where I know it's going to be safe and not going to fall down, because it's going to be right next to my little Charizard figurine. Oh no, his head fell off. There's his head. And then I got the elf in the background. All right, let's see. Oh, That's it. Ooh, I love the cracked ice effect. That's so cool. I might actually use this at FWA. Or should I use this one? Oh my god, I don't know which one I want to use because I got 3 different ones and they're like, so good. So many choices. So many choices. Ooh, I got a pin. And hold on, let me open this up. We got a cherry dum dum. Surprisingly, this is actually one of my favorite flavors. That and the blue raspberry and the root beer one. Those 3 are my top favorites. So I got the pin. This I love so much. Oh my god. Googly eyes. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Okay, I got his eyes derpy. Oh no. What have I done? Thank you, Aerith. It was an honor to be entrusted to refurb Aerith and work together. We hope FWA is great and you love everything. If you need anything, message us. Cosmos and Baru. Aww. You two are so sweet. Oh, hang on, there's something behind you. Oh, there's stickers. Oh, it's so cute. Durgan in the box. I need to get this as a Telegram sticker. Oh, Moz! Moz! Got some Moz! Moz! We got some Moz here! Alright, what they got? Oh, it's a thank you sticker. Oh, another Moz. So this is the no zoo sticker. Zoo meaning you like to do things with animals in the way that should not be done. I'm trying to keep it PG here, so that is all you're gonna know. Oh, and another thank you. Ooh, what's this? Oh my god, that's so cute! I love the rainbow. Yeah, the background rainbow. Oh my god, that reminds me of those tie-dye t-shirts I made back in like middle school and high school. Oh, that was so fun to do back then. Another Moss sticker. Another anti-zoo. It's like getting a bunch of trading cards. Another Estimat sticker. And this is them. This is Cosmos and Brew. You guys should give them a follow. We got a banana. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. I'm not sure if they got this because of the fact that I got a banana Fursuit prop at MCFC, which is right here. Oh my god, I love these. These are so good. They're those ice cream snack. Oh, I love these so much. Thank you. Oh, you gave me a second one. Okay, that's very generous. Oh, they're marshmallow flavored. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna have one of these after dinner because dinner's just about ready. And then, what have we got here? Fursuit spray. Oh, it's mint embers. I love mint, especially like mint gum. And last but not least, the material sheets. Oh, wow. That's actually pretty much all of the furs. Big Z Fabrics, they are some of the best fur you can get. Although the fabric I provided is pretty good too, but not as good as Big Z. Hell Fabrics, they're also another good fabric supplier. And then that's the neoprene, the lining, which I will show you guys in a second. And this is the inside of the head. And that's pretty good vision. See a doorknob right there. Now, what's my final thoughts? Gotta try not to cry again. Honestly, this looks fantastic. I love it. I love every detail. They got my Sona down to a T, and I absolutely just love it. It literally just looks like exactly how I envisioned him to look so many years ago when I first commissioned him for my other maker, whom I forgot the name of. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Oh my god, my emotions are going haywire right now. Oh. Acid Nut Studios, Cosmos and Brew, thank you so much for bringing my boy the rejuvenation that he needed. Truly, truly, truly was an amazing experience to work with you guys, to refurb him, to make him better, to make him last longer, and to give him that extra pizzazz that he's been missing for so long. I can't thank you two enough. Anyway guys, thanks for watching my video. Please hit that follow button or subscribe button, smash the like button, follow Cosmos and Peru, follow me, follow Acid Nut Studios. So I'll see you all in the next Fursuit Friday video. See you then.